Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy YouGoodPlays20 back on Instagram. In this video, we're doing a car video, as you can tell by the title. So I'll be racing some cars as let's get into this police van or car, another police car. I'm gonna race them. If you guys want to see videos like this, please drop a like, subscribe. Who's gonna win? Oh, these cars are in the way. Okay, let's see these two cars. I want to see these two cars race so badly. Oh, and one flew out of the camera. Okay, that's that one from in the video anymore. Bye-bye. We got two white cars. They have like blue and red as well. But other than that, their wheels look pretty cool, as you can tell. I'm gonna race them. Oh, look at this boy. I have a cool looking white car. Oh, right in the freaking. Just hit my laptop. Yeah. Let me go at like police looking or FBI looking van. Just race them. And these guys almost on the camera as well. Now I just do this thing where I basically ram cars together and see which one wins. Oh god. FBI police and oh, I failed to trip someone and not to trip. Oh my god, police got wrecked. Get wrecked. Oh yeah, imagine this will make a perfect ramp. No, it didn't. Ramp at all. I'm gonna get a ramp, guys. Wait a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I found not a ramp, but I found to put the cars through, so basically like this, and you put two things there. It failed. Okay, I'm gonna we're gonna fold it up. Because as long as it's basically slanted, it basically works. I'm being really weird when I say like basically a lot. But sorry if you guys are getting weird, but okay. Oh, it actually worked. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, that one took a pretty well back. So you guys can see the car. And there's whoever that is. Let me forget his name. Type in the comments if you know who that is. We're sending cars fine effort to drift, and that one did pretty bad. That one. This is a really chubby car. Oh, that just took a big oof. Dragon car time. Okay guys, that's it for the video, and see you all next time. Please don't make it to 90 subscribers or 85 subscribers. That's our next goal, guys. See you all later. Peace.